So guys, I got my sticker from Doug from Pole Barn Productions. Make sure you check him out. You probably have already heard of him, but I'm going to put links in the description below. Also, Peggy from PF Woodturning, Steve from SK Crafts, Andy from Tales from the Tinkerage. All the links in the description below. I've got a couple more on the way to add to the board. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, so this week we're going to be turning this blank. Now this has already been started, but I have just broke my camera and I can't get it fixed till next week or the later part of next week. So some of the footage I can't rip off, so we're going to have to start from here. Luckily enough for me, we wasn't too far into the project, so I just started to get it round. If any of you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the blank as it had just come out of the pressure pot, and it is red mallee burl, Alumilite resin, and I've used interference blue mica powder and 2 alcohol inks. I used the pool colour and I think it's a mermaid blue it's called, just to sort of add some extra sort of depth to the resin. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this back on the lathe and hopefully I won't break this camera. Right, so now that's back on the lathe. Just catch up on where I was. So I'm starting to shape the bowl. I'm going to be keeping the burl at the top of the bowl so it acts as the rim as well. So I think that would look quite nice. So I'm going to start shaping the bowl now. I'm going to get the mortise into the bottom of the bowl and a slight foot on the bottom of the bowl as well. And then we'll go from there. Right guys, so this is the bit I've been waiting for. So I'm going to put on the first coat of Yorkshire grit. This is the standard Yorkshire grit, and then we'll go up to the microfine afterwards. But this is when the colour should really start popping out. So guys, that's the centre hollowed out. Now what I've got to do is I've got to do the same process I've done on the outside on the inside, but I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to jump straight back in on the Yorkshire grit microfine. So we're back to the Yorkshire grit again. We're sanded back to 400. I'm just going to apply some Yorkshire grit now and see what we got.